Forgot your Wi-Fi password? Don't reset your router. You can find it in 10 seconds using this trick. So we need to click on the search icon and type control. So to know your Wi-Fi password, the saved Wi-Fi password, we need to click on this view by category to large icons. And then you will see a window like this, and we will look for network. So I'm looking for the network and sharing center. You will click on that, and there you will find many options like your Wi-Fi connections, and we need to click on the connections. And then we need to go to this wireless properties, and then we will go to this security tab, and you just need to select show characters, and you will be able to find your network security key, which is your Wi-Fi password. All right, so this is how you can get to know about your saved Wi-Fi password in your laptop. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.